ayannathestylist.com.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup video. I came up with this glowy spring look because it's spring, even though the weather is saying otherwise, but it's coming, it's spring. So I'm showing you guys how to do this pretty glowy look. It's really quick. Y'all know I don't really wear eyeshadow like that. The only time I wear eyeshadow is if I'm making a video. So of course I did me a little eyeshadow look. I used the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. If you guys have that, you can follow along, but if not, they're all pretty basic neutral colors, and a new lip and just some glowy face makeup. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I like to use the e.l.f. brow gel. I use the color Espresso. I really love this stuff. It does not dry out no matter how long you have it, as opposed to the dip brow. So I really like this stuff, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with an angled brush. And if you guys want an eyebrow routine, let me know down in the comments. I will do that for you. Okay, so I'm going to carve out my eyebrows using the LA Colors HD Concealer in the color Fawn. And I don't use a brush for this. I do it straight out the tube because I only use this for my eyebrows. And I just absolutely love how defined and how neat and controlled this lets me do my eyebrows. I'm just bringing that down onto my eyelid and then blending it out with a small stippling brush so that you don't have halo brows, because nobody want halo brows. Come on now. I'm using a moisturizing primer, so it's a primer and a moisturizer, and it's by I totally forgot the brand, but you can find it at Sephora. First Aid Beauty. It's their coconut oil line. So this is a 2-in-1, and I'm just going to moisturize and prime my face. Eyeshadow primer from Wet n Wild to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. Being that I already put concealer down, this is just an added step, so your eyeshadow doesn't go anywhere for the day. Okay, so I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take whatever this color is, Raw Sienna, and that is going to be my transition shade. If you guys are not using this palette, just use whatever transition shade works best for you, and just put that all in your crease. And you can even bring it down on your lid if you want to, but it's just a transition shade. And I'm going to take Golden Ochre, and that's just like a flesh tone highlight color. I don't want to use a shimmery highlight. This is just a matte highlight, just to even define my brows even further. I'm taking that color. It's like a burnt orangey color, and I am putting it on my outer corner and in my crease. This is like a really simple 3-step eyeshadow look. Seriously. That color just warms up my eyes. Doesn't look as orangey when it's complete. It's just a nice warm color for your crease. Okay, and I'm taking Primavera, and that is just a nice shimmery gold color. So like I said, if you're not using this palette, these are basic colors that you can pretty much find in any palette, and you're just putting it all over your lid, and that's going to give your eye a nice glowy halo look. And just pack that on, and blend it out. And literally, that's it for the eyeshadow. An easy 1, 2, 3 look. Okay, so I use the new NARS foundation. I think this is the Radiant Longwear. I believe that's what it's called. And I'm in the color New Caledonia. I love this freaking foundation. I really only wear this foundation if I'm going somewhere. I don't wear this during the day. Even though you can, but I just like to save my $50 foundation. Otherwise, I would use a Smashbox or something a little cheaper, like a $30 foundation for every day. And I just use my Real Technique sponge, which is literally better than a beauty blender, which is crazy because I thought I would never think that. And I just use that to blend it in, and you guys see how smooth that is. So I'm lining my eyes with a Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, and I really love this eyeliner. It's cheap and it stays on all day. It does not fade, it doesn't smudge for it to be a cheap eyeliner. So there's that. Of course, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to prep to put on lashes, because what's a look without lashes? And these are Ardell lashes. Actually, these are the double up, so it's like as if you were to stack 2 pair, and they're really bomb, like really bomb. And you just want to pop that on. Look how it just changes the whole everything of that look. Like literally, it takes your look from basic to baddie. Whoa, whoa, yeah, whoa there. Okay, so I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, my holy grail. I use the color NW40 for my under eyes. And you just want to make sure that's nice and blended. Bring it up on your nose. You just want to blend in between your eyebrows so that everything is cohesive. Of course, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep and placing that underneath my eyes so we can set. And we're not going to bake for a long time. Just while we're doing some other stuff, you can let it sit for a little bit depending on the occasion. I use the Black Radiance contour palette in deep, and I just place that in the hollows of my cheekbones. Put some color back into my face after those products. And you want to bring it around in your temples. And you want to snatch your nose a little bit. Personal preference. Blend. I'm taking my Makeup Forever powder. This color 185. I believe it's the darkest powder they have. But it can work on a range of different skin tones because it's just face powder. And I'm just taking what's left over from that Laura Mercier and just putting it underneath my cheekbone to make that contour pop. And then you're going to wipe off that powder. So we didn't bake too long. We just killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm taking my Mario Badescu spray just to set in all those powdery products so that you don't have a cake face. You guys see how my skin still looks smooth and we use all those different powders? Gotta moisturize. Okay, I'm taking this Becca highlighter in the color Opal. It's so perfect for chocolate girls, like literally So freaking perfect. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Who is she? She is me. That's how a good highlight make you feel. I'm taking Bittersweet Prolong Wear Lip Pencil by MAC. And then at this point, I don't even know what lip I really wanted to do. Nah. Nah. Okay, so I think I'll settle for MAC Lip Glass in Spite, even though it rubbed off. I just absolutely love this lip gloss. It's just so perfect and so simple. Fix that hair, girl, and that's all. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you. You're a real one. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Make sure you let me know down below what type of videos you guys want to see, what type of makeup videos you want to see, any type of videos. And what else I gotta say? Oh, make sure you hit the OMG. I'm about to go upstairs. And knock on their door. Like, excuse me, I'm trying to film a YouTube video and you guys are always loud. You guys are always banging, dropping stuff, rolling stuff, doing all types of foolishness. And my subscribers can hear you. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you can always be notified when I make a new video. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.